Hey guys, it's 9:33. It's on Thursday, August 7th, and we caught a CXX International. It's April 7th, and we just caught a CXX International in South Philly, and it's I think it's heading north or south. Heading north, and I don't know how long is this train. It's going slow though. This is so cool. Watching it in the rain. Yeah.
I'm sick.
The train is still going slow, folks.
SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, Squidward, Patrick, SpongeBob, Gary, Mr. Krabs.
Okay, folks, it's still raining. And we're still at the same stop where the CXX train is. It doesn't end. It's not making any sounds. It's just creeping along.
It is quiet.
Now this train is really quiet.
I have an invention you guys should go buy. I have an.
Oh wait, it stopped.
No, I hate.
Okay, folks, the train stopped.
What is it, like a tree?
I don't know.
What's happening? Are there like animals on the tree?
Oh, you know what? They gonna unload it around here, but yeah, that's what's gonna happen right here.
Oh, it's got
Yeah, it's gonna
only.
take
So it's gonna be a while. Have you ever see when we go underneath that bridge? You see the trains always sitting here and stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, folks, that's it for today.
They did a lot of. I'm sorry.
Okay, folks, we can still see the train, but
It looks like an office building.
Is that a sneaker
okay, go over there. And I did the CXX freight train came to a stop.
Why is it still called the Navy Yard?
Mom,
Because it's the Navy Yard still.
Mom.
But turn that light off, please.
Okay, this is the end of the video.